It's time. I got 90 degrees. I think they're saying it's gonna get to 94. I don't know. It's late in the afternoon. It's humid. Oh man, is it humid. It is time. You know what time it is. Let's get to it, shall we? Thank you, Mark. Crawdaddy Forge made this for me. His link will be down below. Bottle opener, neck knife, striker, multi-use tool. Oh, I'm telling you, I have worked hard all week for this one. Nothing better on a hot day. Look at that goodness, will ya? A vessel of amber fluid. An ice cold vessel. Oh, wow. Lucy and I went out and caught our supper. Well, caught my supper. She doesn't like fish. She doesn't mind going to catch them, but she sure doesn't like to eat them. There's another one, a classic BLB bait bite. They like a double hooker. He's hooked right here on this side, right here, right, and he's hooked right there on that side. Yeah, that works out so good. Uh-oh, got another one. Oh! The biggest fish was 6 pounds. Just under 6. Got 8 fish, 5 what I call whole fryers, and they're my favorite. They really are. I mean, you know, I'll eat the 6 pounder, that's for sure. I filleted him out, but my favorites are those ones that are just 12 to 15 inches, about a pound, right around a pound, 3/4 of a pound to a pound and a half at the most. Anything bigger than anything 2 pounds or more, I fillet. I have a chunk of catfish. I just love that. It's good, and that's probably the best way to cook them. And I'm just gonna use a 3-2-1 coating and fry them, pan fry them like I normally do. It's a beautiful day. No wind. It was just excellent. I was using the Triple S, the Sunny Super Sticky, my favorite bait, and the BLB custom lures. You dip them into the catfish bait and cast them out with a slip sinker. And I'm telling you, this bait by far outfishes anything else I've fished. It really does. It does work. And as far as I know, I've sent him to Georgia, Calvin's Corner 72. He tried them and he caught fish with them. I sent him to Rick Harris up in North Dakota. The catfish chick or catfish girl, maybe it's country girl now, but she was in Texas. I sent her some and she caught catfish with them. Now, you know, I think the biggest fish I've ever caught on BLB and the Sonny's combination is a 10-pounder. Not to say that you couldn't catch anything bigger than that, but the majority of the fish are the smaller fish. And those are the ones I prefer. I really prefer to eat the smaller fish. They're better for you, I think. I'll put a... BLB Bait doesn't have a website yet. I have them on my website, billgoudy.com, and there's a telephone number to call, and you can order the BLB baits. It's all custom. You just tell them what you want, and tell them Bill Goudy sent you. But you can buy, I think he sells them by the dozen, and they work. They got triple hooks or double hooks. I don't know. I like them both. You know, at one time I thought a triple hook was the only way to go, but you know, when you get into the right fish, those double hookers, you always catch them right across the mouth with a hook on each side. What more can you ask for, you know? And if you get into them smaller fish, the triple hooks, you know, the smaller fish you'll catch them with a smaller mouth. But I don't know. A lot of times you'll catch a smaller fish on the upper hook. Because they're picking that bait up sideways, and it works. Yeah, the hardest thing I've found is that what happens is that fish picks up that bait and takes off with it. You want to set the hook. Well, so many times you rip that hook right out of their mouth, and if you just pick up the reel and just start reeling it in without setting the hook, you'll by far catch more fish, by far. It's a little secret I've found. I mean, I've missed so many fish at first and not realizing what was happening, and then it hit me. Just pick it up and reel it in. That's all there is to it. None of this jerking stuff. Just reel it in, and they'll be hooked right across. Yeah. I guess all I need to do is turn the camera on, and then I won't have any flies bother me. I'm liking that idea. Uh-oh. I don't know. $2.98. It's designed. Yeah, I bought it just to clean that orifice out. And I tell you what, it makes all the difference in the world. You talk about a hotter fire. And you know what? If you're going to have a camp chef and it's going to sit outside, you're going to need one of these. Yeah, I don't know. Coleman store? I can't remember where I bought that at. It was like under $3. So. It don't get any fresher. Oh, is that so good? Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.